So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about how to make money immediately after starting your YouTube channel. So as a content creator on YouTube, you either come in two ways, which I always encourage that you come in both ways. That is the creative approach as well as the business approach. I always say come with both of them because immediately you have a YouTube channel, you are now in business. However, though, if you want to approach things systematically, let's say you start a YouTube channel and you're focusing on growing the channel, of course, you already know what you need to do. The first thing that you need to do is to come up with a niche and then grow your channel on based on that niche and to a point where you feel like, okay, I can now monetize the channel because you have become eligible for monetization, the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours of watch hours, and then you feel like, okay, now that I have reached those milestones, I've been accepted in the YouTube partner program and I'm making money from the AdSense. Now, what's next? Guys, we have spoken about this so many times that AdSense is not the beginning and the end. You have to have other streams of income while you are a content creator using your very own YouTube channel. Now, I have a lot of clients, and my clients always ask me this question. Listen, I don't have the time to be growing a YouTube channel because I have financial problems, and I want to know outside of Google AdSense, what can I do to make money? And of course, like I said, I've spoken about this before regarding digital products, which includes digital courses, which also includes all kinds of online business as well, where you can become a virtual assistant to a CEO or a company executive because these jobs are all over the show. If you go to LinkedIn and you put up your profile and you advertise yourself as a VA, virtual assistant, you will not sit more than 3 days without being contacted by a company executive looking for a VA, for example. If it's not that, then you can look into becoming a coach for whatever expertise that you have, either as a qualified, whatever accountant, lawyer, medical practitioner, or whatever the case might be, because people still want to consult without having to pay exuberant amounts of money by going to a clinic or going to a law firm or whatever the case might be. So utilize your experiences and utilize your qualifications as well in making money online because people are forever and forever looking for something that you probably have. It's just that you did not know what you could do or you can do about it to make money. So the other ways as well of making money on YouTube is by creating merchandises, print on demand. All you do is you go on a print on demand website and then you just submit a design for a t-shirt that you are going to sell at a specific price. You don't have to do inventories, you do nothing, no shipment, absolutely nothing. You just take that design and then you submit it to Amazon.com or you submit it to other platforms where they sell printed t-shirts, printed mugs, as well as planners. Basically, you can even do what they call them, KDS or KDB books as well on Amazon. Basically, these are books where you design the cover. You just design the cover and then you designed the planner, how it should look like, whether it's just a journal or it's like a diary type of situation. And then Amazon sell it for you and then you get to make money out of that. There are so many ways that you can utilize as a content creator to make money way before you are monetized on YouTube. So this is why I say you need to have two mindset, a creative mind as well as an entrepreneurial mind. Now, let's go back to the creative mind because I feel like your YouTube channel must always be a funnel towards the business that you are pursuing outside of YouTube. For example, digital product, you utilize your YouTube channel to promote your digital products. You talk about your digital products. You leave the link of your digital products in the description box or in the pinned comments, and then you talk about them. The only thing that I would say that you should avoid as a content creator is now redirecting people outside of YouTube by saying, go to my website or go to my Instagram page or TikTok page, because what YouTube wants, it wants the people. Remember, the whole concept of YouTube is to keep people longer on the platform, not people leaving the platform. So that is why some people, when they promote something, they would want to redirect the viewer to a website, which YouTube does not like that at all, because you are now messing up with their number one goal, to keep people on the platform. And so you wonder why this video is not doing well. That's because YouTube has shadow banned it, and because you're taking people out of the platform. So if you are going to promote things, promote them within your YouTube channel, and you do not make any recommendations to go to another link where people will leave the YouTube platform to that platform you are sending them to. So instead, I would say on your Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook, you do your own advertisement there or promotions of your products, whether again that's merch or some kind of print on demand product. Do it there as well as on Etsy, Shopify, or whatever other platforms that you're selling your products at. Of course, affiliate marketing is very important to always have in the back of your mind as a content creator, where you join affiliate marketing programs on Amazon, Share a Sale, as well as ClickBank and all these other amazing platforms where you can promote somebody else's product for a commission. Commissions, they vary between 1%, 2%, all the way sometimes to 50%. However, what is important is that all those 1%, and if people are buying and you are getting commission, they compound to thousands of dollars, if not tens of thousands of dollars. So now let's come back to the entrepreneurial you. The entrepreneurial you is always thinking about what to solve that people, when you hear them talk about on their YouTube channels, that you can come with a solution for. I came up with a solution by having a one-on-one consultation with creators that are struggling with their YouTube channels. And I sit down and I take them through their YouTube channels. And within weeks, sometimes within few months, their channels begin to take off. And because why? Because they put everything that I have coached them into practice, and therefore they begin to win. So, how do I look at myself in this aspect? As an entrepreneur as well as a creator, because I'm using my YouTube channel to invite people that are struggling with their channels to come and consult with me, and then their channels improve in terms of growth and traction. So, as a content creator yourself, you need to find your own pace, your own feed. You know yourself better than anybody. So, your capabilities, they can change lives, they can change your own life. So, as a creator, as I always talk to my clients when they ask me what other ways that I can make money before monetization, this is it. There are so many other ways of making money outside of Google AdSense while you are working towards monetization. So, do not withhold yourself too hard. The other way, as well as an entrepreneur, is to join creator agencies that can connect you with brands that you can work with. I'm going to leave some of these agencies that you can join. Just make an application. If they accept you, then sooner or later you're going to start getting brand deals. I think before it will start with dropper, what they call them, promos. I think that's what they are called, where you can unbox whatever they send you, create a video and do a review on that. And that way you are also building some kind of a relationship with that particular brand to see that they can work with you in the future. So do not charge them on the first instant. and the second, probably even the third. Around the fourth, fifth, where you have established a following and influence, that's when you come back to them and say, hey, listen, I've been doing this 3 times for free for you, and now people are loving your products, and I feel like we can sit down and start negotiating a paid campaign type of situation. So again, there are so many ways to skin a cat as a content creator on YouTube. And it comes as a blessing because it comes with the other aspect of you, which is the entrepreneurial side of you. And both of these is something that you need to put into practice all the time. All right. So those are the questions that I get asked. And if you are interested in booking a one-on-one consultation with me, please, my WhatsApp number is below. Leave me a comment. Okay, well, leave me a WhatsApp message. Let me put it that way. Leave me a WhatsApp message because right now I'm still busy with some clients that I have, and my WhatsApp is kind of like off. But when I switch on my WhatsApp, then I will see your message and then I will WhatsApp you back, and then we will set a date for you and I to consult. Usually, I will ask you to send me a link of your YouTube channel so I can go through your videos, go through your channel, and just basically review the entire shebang of your channel so that when we sit down one on one, I know exactly what to tell you, what to change, and how to improve the performance of your channel. There are some things that I'm also discovering that I think you would see the difference with this very channel. And I'm busy with the current clients right now in discovering that, and we are seeing the results of that discovery. If you are interested to know that, do book a consultation with me. I only charge $75 an hour. In most cases, it goes over an hour, but still on the $75. I don't charge extra. Other than that, go to my WhatsApp in the description down below and we shall talk. And please don't leave the video without liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. And I'll see you next time in a new video. Goodbye.